everyone. We're here at SEMA and we're talking about a pretty sweet truck at a pretty awesome booth. Carter, tell me about it.
We're here in Ford's booth. How awesome is that? This is the best booth in Vegas at the SEMA show. We're pretty pumped. So yeah, we're here with our brand new 2019 Ford Ranger. We dubbed it Ranger X.
And this thing looks pretty sweet. I have not seen another truck like this on the road.
It's definitely different, and it's for a couple reasons. The 2019 Ford Ranger is finally coming back to North America. We're pumped on it. It comes back in a few months. We got our hands on one a little bit early and built an awesome project truck out of it.
Talk to me about this truck. It's got some really cool stuff, and I want to hear it straight from your mouth.
Well, we're pretty pumped on this one because it is the only crew cab long bed Ranger in existence right now. We started, Ford only offers one chassis, and so if you get a crew cab to haul your friends around, you only get a short bed. We needed a long bed so we could put this nap-hide service box on here and have all the fun in the back. So to do that, we got our truck, cut it, extended the frame about a foot, put the nap-hide service bed, and built it up from there. So it's running a 6-inch BDS coilover kit with box 2.5 coilovers. We've got upper control arms with that to fit 35-inch BFG KM3 tires on XD wheels. Beyond that, we got worn winch and a worn winch bumper up front that just looks killer. And then the back, it's party. We kind of say it's like a mullet, but you know, it's party, all the business up front and party in the back. But out back, we got custom rack right here. We got Rotopack storage for all your fuel, so you got plenty of stuff. You got a dirt bike, cooler, onboard air system, everything you need to hit the trail.
And what inspired this entire build?
Well, we definitely wanted to show that the Ford Ranger is a awesome vehicle right out the gate. Very capable off-road and comfortable on-road. We wanted to take that utilitarian side of it and take it to the next level. So have the adventure, go on your adventure with your friends and go off-road. So we wanted to build that and show what it could be. That's what we came out with.
All right, Carter, thank you so much for walking us through this truck. It is awesome and very unique. If anybody wants to find out more information about the build and your products, where can they go?
Best place is our website. It's BDS-Suspension.com. And yeah, if you want to find out more about the products we offer, head to your local dealer. We got dealers all over the country, international. You can check them out on our website, BDS-Suspension.com.
Well, you heard it straight from him, and make sure to stay tuned with us here at Power Automedia for SEMA.